Alright, this might seem like a lot of kit, and it is. It's a big set, but it does compact pretty quickly. So the first thing I'll do is take the fry pan, clean it out, and put it at the bottom of the set. And then I'll put it like in the bottom of the bag like this, and then just set everything else is going to go right on top of it. So the next thing I'll put in is one of the microfiber cloths, and you'll see why in a second. Then let's put away the forks. You just squeeze them, and they're going to fold down. So pretty simple to do. Don't squeeze them that hard. Squeeze them and they fold down. And once they're all folded down, the knife, fork, and spoon all fit into this little pouch. Next, we'll take the big soup bowl, I call it, and we'll put in the plates, go down below, then the cook tin. Then the utensils can go inside of here, over to the side. Then go in the cups, the lid. We set that in to the bag. And then right on top goes the other lid. Now you can cinch it down. And even if you needed to dunk this in soapy water, you could clean it like this. Hope this helps. All 15 pieces into this sack.